Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be Hero Extreme. So this is 160R. Soonly I will be reviewing the 200R. So this is Hero Extreme. As you can see, these are running LED DRLs. So massive look. So this is a new generation, and here you can see the LEDs of indicators and completely LEDs on headlight. So let's start video, guys. Here you can see the Hero Extreme. It's a new vehicle, and here you can see the massive disc size of 273 mm of disc size. Front disc has a single channel ABS, so there is no dual channel ABS in this vehicle, only a single channel ABS as for this price segment. So here you can see the disc brakes. So massive design. The tire profile is MRF tires. These are the profile of the tire is 180 17 inches tires. So these are 17 inches tires. Here you can see the alloy wheels. So this is massive look of alloy wheels. And coming back to engine, so this is 160cc of engine. So here you can see it's a small engine but very powerful and very silent of refinable engine. This is new engine. As you can see, here you can see the Hero logo again, Hero badge, and here you can see the kick rod. The missing out the point in the kick rod is the rubber grab finishing. So because of this, it can be slipped at. So this is a side profile of Extreme. You can see here Hero Extreme badge there. So actually its name as first generation in CBZ Extreme, so it has changed as only now Extreme. So overall we can say vehicle is extremely. And here you can see the single monopoly shock absorber, and it has a specific feature that has 7-way adjustable shock absorber rear, and it's a single shock absorber. Here you can see the brake oil of rear, and it's a massive look, plastic finishing. Here you can see the foot pegs of rear and front. The only disappointing me is that when the driving position, the front foot pegs is a wrong position, so it has to be changed some more front so that it can be easily in traffic. So here you can see the silencer design. It's a new silencer design. Overall the design is new in this vehicle. So this is a rear disc brake of 130 mm of disc brake. So again you can see here the profile is 130 70 7 inches tires. These are 17 inches tires. Again front and the rear is the same profile of 17 inches tires. The alloy wheels has massive look. The ground clearance of this vehicle is 160 mm of ground clearance, and it has 3 colors, white, red and blue. So you can see completely covered at the rear, and it has a huge size. So coming to the rear, so you can see the rear profile of extremely massive look, and this is the tail lights of Extreme. These are black finished of tail light, and I like the design of the tail light. Completely it is LEDs, and indicators are LEDs. So everything are LEDs in this vehicle. So I like the new design and advanced features of LEDs I like. So coming to the other side, here you can see the chain system. It's as open chain, so it should be some problem at the rainy season. It should be covered with some plastics, and overall the plastics are good finishing, high quality of plastic. Here you can see the side guard. And coming to the other side, here you can see 160R badge, and it's a white color, completely white and black finishing. Not a black, it getting to the detail, it has a gray color. And here you can see the seating position. It's single seat, and pillion seat is somehow high. And here you can see the difference of pillion seat and driving position. You can see the position of gear pedal is also wrong. As per my opinion, it should be somehow front, and nothing more on the engine written. It's a simple and gorgeous engine, black finishing. So again detail, here you can see the Hero logo, and it has a advanced feature that has engine switch off stand. So when the side stand is there, so engine will be cut off. And here you can see the programmed FI. So it has been programmed by the FI. Here you can see the horn is not so good, and it has a dual telescoping shock absorbers, very good performing. And overall here you can see headlight, massive LEDs on headlight, and at the night view it is good. LEDs new design. Coming to the petrol tank design, here you can see it has very cross-cutting design and very unique design also. I can say very massive big tank. Extreme 160R again badge here. Here you can see the petrol lid. I have disappointed with the petrol lid is that there is no attached to the petrol tank, so one minus point I can say. The paints on this vehicle is nice. And coming to the instrument cluster, here you can see side stand indication, engine indication, neutral indication, pass light indicators, ABS, and it has a completely swipe. Here you can see the speedometer of speed, and trip A, trip B, odometer. Here you can see, and it has very small, and it has been fixed every feature in it. And coming to the handlebars, here you can see the horn is not so good. I can say it has to be better. And these are the indicators. These are the parking light, so 4 parking lights. And here you can see the pass light. So a single switch, engine cutoff and self start in a single switch. I like side view mirrors are not so good, average view I can say, but the design of the side mirrors are very good. So this is a profile of the Extreme, Hero Extreme. Here you can see colors are massive, only 3 colors it has been given, but also colors are extreme. I can say I am saying many times Extreme in this vehicle because it's a name of Extremes. Actually it has changed the name to the Extreme. I said I may say it's better and refined engine, new engine. It has been came completely through the old and new design, completely new bike I can say in the market. And here you can see the key placement of it. Has a gap between the handle and a petrol tank. Here you can see like completely FZ. I can say it has a tough competition to the FZ. So this is a walk around video of Hero Extreme. So let's go to test drive and see. Starting the bike, you can listen the sound of the engine, very refined and very silent as compared to the old generations Extreme. This is a review of test drive. So as first is first, very refined engine I can say, and gear shifting is very fast, RPM meter is very fast raving it, and overall the good. And this is 163cc engine at 15 bhp of power and 14 newton meters of torque at 8600 rpm we can say. So suspension is very nice. Front has a telescoping suspension and rear has a single monopoly suspension, and gear sound is somehow coming high. Let's give the throttle and see. Sorry for that, speedometer is not working. So this is the vehicle of Hero Extreme, 5000 rpm at 3rd gear, 4500 rpm at 5th gear. So as you can see, this is a 5-speed manual transmission, and brakes are very good performing, both the disc brakes. Here you can see the radius of vehicle. So the radius of vehicle is also short I can say. It's a family vehicle and very good, and we can see it's a successful vehicle from the beginning. CBZ Extreme, it has become an Extreme 160R. This is 163cc I have seen. So brakes are performing very good. Front has 267 mm of disc brake, and it has only a single channel ABS. So here you can see the top speed, air cooled engine. RPM meter is very soon raving, and as per this price segment I can say it has completely fixed all features, and driving position are also good. But only disappointing me is the foot pegs of front, as position is somehow wrong I can say. This vehicle gives mileage around 45. It has 2 variants, ABS and non-ABS, 2 variants in this vehicle. So as you can compare to the price segments, not so much, only 2 to 3000 difference of both the price. Performance very nice I can say, as in metropolitan cities, short journeys, street rides. Overall the vehicle is good. Handlebars are wide enough and position is also good, and seating position is nice I can say. Once again the Hero Extreme has not disappointed, and it has performing very good I can say, and tires profile is also nice. Suspension is very nice. So I can give rating of 10 out of 7 to this vehicle, and overall good I can say. Fuel capacity is 12 liters of this vehicle, and moreover nice performance, good refined engine, extremely power is nice. 5-speed gears. Some of the gear sound is coming big. It should be minor problem, so nothing much. Brakes are too good. So definitely you should go to the higher segment of this vehicle. There are 2 segments, and ex-showroom price in Hyderabad 1,05,000 of dual disc brake and a single channel ABS. You can get at 1,02,000. So overall 2 to 3,000 difference, nothing much. So acceleration is nice, and one of the best feature in this new feature that has came is wet clutch. So it is a new feature of Extreme wet clutch. So clutch is nice, not so hard, not so smooth, and position is also nice of driving position, pillion seat. I can say it's a family friendly bike, Harley bike. So friends, this is a test drive review of Hero Extreme. Performance is very nice, and overall the rating also good for this vehicle. So mileage is good, and pickup is good, suspension is good, torque observers are good, brakings are awesome, I can say extreme, I can say, in this vehicle. And this is a test drive review of Hero Extreme. So if you like the video, please press the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram.